Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Ideal gas law PV equal nRT example problem. Correct answer is ideal gas law PV equal nRT example problem. Given data pressure P equal 2 atm, volume V equal 5L, number of moles N equal 3 mole, universal gas constant R equal 0.0821 L atm by mole K, temperature T equal unknown. To find the temperature T, we can rearrange the ideal gas law equation as follows. T equal PV/nR. Substitute the known values into the equation. T equal 2 atm 5L by 3 mole 0.0821 L atm by mole K. T equal 10 atm L by 0.2463 mole K. T equal 40 cents 6 K. Therefore, the temperature of the gas in this example problem is approximately 40 cents 6 Kelvin when applying the ideal gas law.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.